Hey guys, just about headed to the garage to see how my painting's getting on. So I've done a couple coats of base coat and two coats of the top coat. Not sure because it's a gloss, but we'll see how it goes. Not sure. Got the boy sleeping nicely, or hopefully soon anyway, but I'm not sure how it looks. It definitely needs another coat, but you can see it's obviously not my favourite colour of orange. It's covered it quite well, but it's definitely going to need at least another coat or two. It has covered it quite well, and I am happy with the colour, but I don't know, the legs turned out a lot nicer. That nice satin finish is a lot nicer than the gloss, but the orange doesn't come in gloss, in satin, only in gloss. So I've got a choice of paprika or green, and I don't know, I like the orange. Green might be quite nice. It is a Ryobi, but I go for a darker green than the standard tools. But we'll see what it turns out like when I give it another coat in a minute. Got the booth set up over there, ready to spray, and see how it goes. Show you some pictures later.